Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Hello friends, checking in on natural gas on the daily time frame to start. We need to be cautious. This oversold bounce is certainly shaping up like a bear flag at this point, and on the way to the downside here, we've seen 1, 2, 3 bear flags of just short-term bounces cooling off the technicals before another dump to the downside. So this bounce does not have the kind of momentum to be confident in right now. And personally, I don't like it in either direction. If you did not have a position heading into this weekend, I would not have initiated a position. The bears have momentum, but I would not make a bearish entry because the daily RSI is down under 30. That's just a rule of thumb that I follow. Don't make bearish positions with the RSI under 30. And in terms of movement to the upside, the bounce did not have enough volume and strength for me to be confident in continuation of that bounce heading into early next week. So the kind of scenario where I would like to see some trading play out on Sunday night and head into Monday with a fresh, clean slate and look at which direction to be looking in. So resistance right now, we're looking up at 2704, the high of the bounce that we have seen so far, and a key support is now 2587, the low of trading on Friday. We did see some nice bull volume into the close on that last hourly candlestick, and the bulls are looking for a bullish MACD cross there on the hourly. Checking the 4-hour chart, and we are looking like the higher low has been set, and now the bulls need that higher high. If we do get above 2704, I'm looking at 2745 previous support, now resistance as the next level. Might as well stick a line there to be keeping an eye on it. And we are looking pretty good here the way we did end the week. So if I had to pick a position, I would choose a bullish position due to that strong close. But again, I don't have a position, and it's certainly a lot more comfortable not having to think about anything or not being concerned with how the trading is going Sunday night. So looking at UNG on the daily time frame, we can see that weak bounce attempt. We had an inside candlestick Friday compared to Thursday with support of 661 and resistance of 677. Pretty much the same range Thursday and Friday, off by a couple pennies, but we need that follow through. We do have a gap to fill at 714. We did close right at the 4-period exponential moving average resistance. We closed above it by a penny, and that's the first time we've closed above it in a couple weeks. So the bulls need some follow through, need to get over the 8-period exponential resistance, which has been resistance since the end of January. So almost an entire month with that price rejecting any bounce attempt, and getting over that level will indicate that the bulls have a bit of momentum. So the RSI is trying to come off of oversold here, but again, not very confident, although would certainly be more confident in this chart, UNG, than I would be in the natural gas daily chart. And there are a bit of differences due to the amount of time that trading goes on here, a lot longer trading of natural gas than there is for UNG. But this upper wick here is what has me a bit concerned on the short-term bounce. But again, if I had to choose a position, still looking for this oversold bounce to play out. UNG weekly, nice strong bullish reversal dragonfly doji after a third gap down. So we are looking for a green week this coming week to confirm this bullish reversal doji, and the weekly gap will fill up at 714. So bulls need to see more momentum, some more convincing action, and some decent bull volume to look for continuation here on the oversold bounce. I hope you have a great weekend. We'll check back in on Monday and see if we can get a break of that 2704 level on natural gas. See you then.